Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Azim Nugraha, and good afternoon, good morning, and good night to all of you. And thank you all for coming here today to watch me presentation. What I want to present to you is a brief history of pharmacy. This topic will be very important to you because it explains the origin of pharmacy. My presentation will take about 10 minutes and this is part of my presentation. In this presentation, I will talk about history of pharmacy. Our aim is to explain the chronological events of the pharmacy history. The evolution of the profession of pharmacy can be divided into 5 historical periods. One is ancient era, the beginning of time to 1600. Two, we have empirical era from 1600 to 1940. 3, we have industrialization era from 1940 to 1970. 4, we have patient care era from 1970 until now. And 5, we have the future of pharmacy, which is the era of biotechnology and genetic engineering. Now I want to move to ancient era. In ancient era, they used leaf, mud, and cold water to stop bleeding. And heal their wounds. Using this method by observing how animals heal their wounds. This healing experience is documented in the clay tablets, which is provide the earliest known written record. In Babylon, the earliest record the practice of pharmacy by priests, pharmacists, and healers are kept. This is where science of medicine, organized pharmacy, and medicine as it begins. In China, they use herbs to make medicine, and in this era, pharmaceutical figures appear. 1, we have Hippocrates, the father of medicine. 2, we have Theophilus, the father of botany, the early science in ancient era. And 3 and 4, we have Mithridates, father of toxicology, which is he studied the adverse effect of plants. 5, we have not 5. 4, we have Dioscorides, the father of pharmacology during the Roman period. And 5, we have Cosmos and Damian, saint of pharmacy and medicine, twins who represent the closeness of the medicine and pharmacy. After the fall of Roman Empire, the division of pharmacy and medicine evolved. 3 major advances in pharmacy occur at this time. 1, the formulary. a continuation of documentation of the knowledge-specific drug information to be used by pharmacy. 2. Dosage form. Drugs were not longer harvested from herb gardens. They were incorporated into sweetened drug form such as syrup, confection, and juleps. Mix it with sugar and honey. 3. We have pharmacy soap first appear in Baghdad in about 762 BC. Between 1231 and 1240, the Holy Roman Emperor predicted to issue decree regulating medicine. For the first time, pharmacy is legally recognized as spirit profession in Western Europe. During the medieval Renaissance period, pharmacy underwent many changes. Pharmacy is becoming independent profession, and pharmacy as profession achieved status and socially accepted. The pharmacy university education is open, and new chemical drugs were introduced, which gave pharmacy a wider range of expertise. Now I like to move on empiric era. In this empirical era, pharmacopoeia becomes regulator tool for pharmacists. Then Benjamin Franklin started the first hospital in 1751. He owned a pharmacy, and the first hospital pharmacy was Jonathan Roberts. Then, in 1821, the Philadelphia College of Pharmacy was founded, and pharmacy also contributed to science, namely in field of chemistry. Now I want to move to era of industrialization. In era of industrialization, the development of pharmaceutical manufacture began. Rapid mass production of drugs followed. Standardization, biological prepared product, complex chemical synthesis, and increased use of parenteral drugs were part of this period. Now, the beginning of this era was concentrated on the research to develop new drugs. Research on drugs has been done. New drugs are developed, but have many adverse reactions to the drugs. So, drugs are reviewed and monitored again for safety reasons. And pharmacy began to play more roles in providing drugs and educated patients in this era. Now to the final point, which is the future of pharmacy. Now the future of pharmacy is underway research in biotechnology and gene therapy. Drugs also being produced through recombinant DNA technology and introducing new therapy for cancer, anemia, and hepatitis. Well, this is bring me to the end of my presentation. Sorry for the trouble, and thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.